So let's talk about implementation with WashMetrix. This is close to my heart. It stems from our previous venture. The venture before this that we did was in the oil and gas space, and one of the areas that we suffered bad was a long implementation time frames. This makes the clients a little bit worried about their data. It makes everyone a little bit more antsy the longer it takes to get someone up and running. And in this day and age where you have Spotify and you have Yahoo and YouTube, where you just log in and you should be able to run and get value for your money, this is exactly what we were aiming for in this venture as well. We are happy to report that we are there right now. Our implementation schedules, if you really look at implementing a customer for us, from the moment they sign the contract and we get the credentials, it ranges from 1 or 2 days, 2 weeks at the maximum. And when I say 2 weeks, those are newer point of sale systems that we are integrating with, where we need to be more methodical. The whole process, if I was to break it down as to effort required on the WashMetrix side versus effort required on the customer side, it would be a 95% to 5% split. 95% of the work being on us on WashMetrix side to get the system up and running. 5% still needs to be on the customer because they need to validate their data and say, yes, you have passed all the check boxes. So that is still up there. And again, the way the whole system, the whole onboarding side is considered over here or built over here is we have a standard method of a spreadsheet that we have our customers fill out and we help them fill out. And in a lot of cases, we have to go back to the POS systems companies to get the credentials to get connected. And we have relationships with them and we do it on behalf of our customers with their approval. So they don't even have to do that. And once that spreadsheet is available, the system is architected in such a way that it can ingest it. It will automatically create the tenant. It will start connecting to these different systems and start gathering the ongoing data. Once that is done, we start bringing in 6 months of data from the trailing side into the system. That is a human, that is the one manual trigger off. It's a trigger. It's not even manually doing it, but manually triggering it off to get the data so that you can, and that can run in the background to get the data. But end user or the customer can start using it as soon as this connects and gone. In certain cases, I'm happy to say that even before we had a kickoff meeting with our clients, we were able to get the system up and running. So during the kickoff meeting, we were able to show them, this is your data, your ongoing data is coming in, here's your users, go start using the system.